Good morning, children. How are you? And I hope that you are feeling very relaxed. And because half yearly exam is already over, and I hope that you all have given your best in your exam. So, children, as you know let's come to our lecture. Now, now let's start the lecture. Let's start the explanation of the further chapters which are left. So, children, as you know we have started. We have already finished the chapter. We have already finished the prose section. We have already finished the poetry section, and in grammar portion also we have finished syntax and direct narration, vocabulary, and all the in direct, indirect, and vocabulary and the syntax we have already finished, and report writing and essay and letter. So we have finished the portion of before half yearly. Now, children, before the half yearly examination, we have started the explanation of the chapter from the snapshot, that is your supplementary, and we have done two chapters from the supplementary. That is one is the beautiful summer white hearts, and the second one is we have finished the address. Now, in today's lecture, we will study the third chapter from your supplementary, that is the snapshot, that is the Ranga's marriage. So, we are going to study about Ranga's marriage, this chapter, what is this chapter about, and what theme and what is the story in this chapter. So, let's start the chapter Ranga's marriage. Now, before starting the chapter, let's know about its author, that is the Masti Venkatesh Iyengar. And the author of the story, Ranga's marriage, that is the Masti Venkatesha Iyengar. He was born on 6 June 1891 and died on 6 June 1986. And he was well-known writer in Kannada language, and he was the fourth among Kannada writers to be honored with the Gyanpith Award, the highest literary honor conferred in India. And he was popularly referred to as Masti Kannada Asti, which means Masti Kannada's treasure. The meaning of Masti Kannada Asti is Kannada's treasure, यानी कन्नड़ का जो कहते हैं कि अमूल्य treasure है, उनको कहा जाता है. He is most renowned for his short stories, and he wrote under the pen name Srinivasa. He was honored with the title Rajaswakta by then Maharaj of Mysore Nalvandi Krishna Raja Wadiyar. And he was a prolific writer. He was very famous writer, and he wrote more than 123 books in Kannada and 12 in English, and over the course of 70 years. He won, as I told you, that Gyanpith Award in 1983 for his famous novel Chikavara Rajendra. So he was very prolific and he was very famous Kannada writer who had won fame and name in the world of literature. Now, the first section is the introduction to the lesson. So let's discuss about the introduction of the lesson, that is the Ranga's marriage. So, children, this story revolves around the Ranga, who was the accounted son of the famous village Hoshialli, which is located in Mysore state, and who got the opportunity to go out of the village for further studies. The narrator takes you through a very beautiful journey where he changes Ranga's perception about marriage and how he staged their union with the help of a Shastri, and what role English has played in their village. And also, the entire story involves very funny instances and references, or you can say that very funny examples and references, for the narrator has made sure that your mind stays occupied with the story. An author has presented everything which can be as beautiful as author's imagination. So, this is the introduction of the lesson. तो बच्चों, जो स्टोरी है रंगाज मैरिज, ये रंगा एक जो कैरेक्टर जो है स्टोरी का, एक मेन कैरेक्टर जो है स्टोरी का रंगा, उसके इर्द गिर्द ही घूमती है. और जो रंगा कौन है, रंगा जो है मैसूर की एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल विलेज होशियल्ली, जिस विलेज का नाम है, जिसको आप में भी बहुत मुश्किल होगा है कि मैप में भी आपको बहुत मुश्किल से ये देखने को मिलेगा विलेज। और ये कह सकते हैं कि नरेटर जो है वो अपना एक कहीं ना कहीं अपना दुख भी इस स्टोरी में प्रकट करता है कि इस विलेज को बहुत लोग जो है वो भूल गए हैं या मैप में कहीं वो शो नहीं करते हैं, क्योंकि और ये विलेज जो है वो अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑथर इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एंड अट्रैक्टिव। तो जो स्टोरी है वो रंगा की है, इर्द गिर्द घूमती है, जो कि उसे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है बाहर जाके पढ़ने का विलेज से। और नरेटर जो है वो आपको एक बहुत ही लगेगा, इस स्टोरी को जो आप पढ़ेंगे तो ऐसा लगेगा कि नरेटर आपको एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत और ब्यूटीफुल जर्नी के थ्रू जो है आपको ये बताना चाहता है कि जो मेन कैरेक्टर रंगा है उसको मैरिज को लेके क्या परसेप्शन है, क्या थिंकिंग है उसके, या जब वो बाहर जाता है पढ़ने के लिए और आफ्टर 6 मंथ जब वो कम बैक होता है और जाने से पहले उसके क्या परसेप्शन थे अबाउट लाइफ एंड मैरिज, और जाने के बाद उसका परसेप्शन कैसे चेंज होता है, ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं आपको स्टोरी में मिलेंगी। और फिर उसके बाद वो बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स इसमें हैं, जैसे शास्त्री हैं एक, जो कि बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टर हैं, और द नरेटर हुज नेम इज श्यामा, और उन्होंने जो है वो रंगा के लाइफ में एक इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले किया ताकि उनकी, और फिर बाद में क्या होता है कि पूरी स्टोरी जो है वो कई फ़नी एग्जाम्पल्स के थ्रू जो है आगे बढ़ती है। और नरेटर जो है वो कहीं ना कहीं श्योर है कि मे बी उसने सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो हैं वो इस स्टोरी में डाले हैं जो कि आपको बाइंड करेंगे और आपको एंटरटेन करेंगे, और ऐसा कहीं भी आपको नहीं लगेगा कि आप कहीं बोर हो रहे हैं। सो द स्टोरी is something very beautifully sketched by the author. Now let's move to the summary of the Ranga's marriage. So after the discussion of introduction, let's discuss about the summary. Children, the story all begins with Ranga, and who was the accountant's son, come back to his village Hoshiarli after 6 months. He had gone to Bangalore to pursue his studies, which to mention not many in the village get this opportunity. यानी कहने then children, कहने का मतलब ये है कि उस समय जो होशियरली जो विलेज था वहाँ पे बहुत मुश्किल से लोगों को ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती थी कि वो बाहर जाकर अपने फर्दर स्टडी करे, और रंगा ऐसा कैरेक्टर, ऐसा पर्सन था जो उस विलेज में जिसको ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली थी. So the whole village gets excited to see Ranga, and thus they gather around his home only to see how he would have changed. तो सभी जो विलेजर्स थे वो बहुत ही एक्साइटेड थे जब रंगा 6 मंथ के बाद अपने नेटिव विलेज लौटता है, कम बैक होता है। तो विलेजर्स जो होते हैं वो बहुत ही एक्साइटेड होते हैं, वो ये सोचने के लिए कि अब रंगा लौट कर आया है, और उसमें उसको वो देखने के लिए रंगा को बहुत ही एक्साइटेड होते हैं कि कुछ चेंजेस तो ज़रूर होगा रंगा में, और वो रंगा जो है वो कुछ उसमें बदलाव या चेंजेस ज़रूर आए होंगे। तो सभी उसको देखने के लिए उसको इर्द गिर्द जो है उसको बिल्कुल सराउंड कर लेते हैं। एंड देन नरेटर हैज़ ब्यूटिफुल एलॉबरेटेड अबाउट देयर विलेज होशियरली एंड हाउ एवरी अथॉरिटी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉरगॉट टू मेंशन इट इन द मैप्स। यानी जो नरेटर है वो होशियरली विलेज को बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल डिस्क्राइब्ड अबाउट इट्स ब्यूटी, अबाउट इट्स सिंप्लिसिटी एंड अबाउट द सिंप्लिसिटी ऑफ द विलेजर्स ऑल्सो। एंड ही हैज़ यू कैन से दैट he is very upset also that every authority is responsible forgot to mention that village in the maps. So then moving on, he admires Ranga and wants to get him married, but to his dismay, Ranga has very different, you can say that Ranga has different views and opinions about marriage. He has different perceptions about marriage at that point. Then the narrator stages the entire union of Ranga and Ratna. उसके बाद नरेटर को जब लगता है कि रंगा का जो परसेप्शन है, जो थिंकिंग है, जो व्यूज़ है मैरिज के लिए वो थोड़ा डिफरेंट है, तो अब नरेटर जो है वो एक स्टेज, एक बैकग्राउंड जो है वो प्रिपेयर करता है रत्ना और रंगा को मिलाने के लिए, उनकी मैरिज कराने के लिए। और रत्ना हु वॉज द डॉटर ऑफ रामा राव एंड 11 years old niece, and the girl has very sweet voice and can play veena. And that Ratna, the niece of the Rama Raw's 11-year-old niece, that girl has a very sweet voice and can play veena and harmonium. At first, the narrator tells him that she is married to see how it affects Ranga. मतलब जो रत्ना थी और रत्ना और रंगा को मिलाने के लिए नरेटर ने एक प्लेटफॉर्म, एक बैकग्राउंड तैयार करना शुरू कर दिया। और गर्ल जो रत्ना थी उसकी बहुत ही स्वीट वॉइस थी और वो वीणा और हारमोनियम कैन प्ले। पहले तो नरेटर जो है उसने रंगा को बताया कि शी इज़ मैरिड, वो उसकी शादी हो चुकी है और वो ये जानना चाहता था कि हाउ इट इफेक्ट्स रंगा, इस बात का रंगा पे क्या इफेक्ट पड़ता है। एज एक्सपेक्टेड रंगा वॉज डिसअपॉइंटेड। जैसा उम्मीद थी नरेटर को वैसे हुआ कि रंगा बिकेम डिसअपॉइंटेड when he came to know about the Ratna's marriage. Then the narrator then manipulated the village Shastri to say things in his favor. He then took Ranga to visit him, where he predicted that Ranga has a girl on his mind and her name resembles something found in the ocean. Then what happened? Shyama, the narrator, then he guesses her name to be Ratna, but again she is married. But on their way back, they confirm that Ratna is not married, only to find Ranga happy and full of hope. मतलब कहने का मतलब है कि पहले ऑथर ने तो रंगा से बताया कि रत्ना की मैरिज हो चुकी है, मगर बाद में फिर वो उसको लगा, नरेटर को ये लगा कि ये बात शायद में भी रंगा को कुछ इफ़ेक्ट पड़ेगा और एज एक्सेप्टेड रंगा जो है वो डिसअपॉइंटेड हो गया। फिर उसके बाद नरेटर ने शास्त्री को मैनिपुलेट किया कि वो उसके फेवर में कुछ बात करे। उसके बाद जो है वो बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो है वो वन बाय वन होती गई और फिर इसके बाद नरेटर जो है वो जब वो वापस लौट रहे थे तब ये कंफर्म हुआ कि रत्ना इज़ नॉट मैरिड, फॉर वाई ओनली टू फाइंड रंगा हैप्पी एंड फुल ऑफ होप. Then what happened then? On their way back, when they are returning, they confirm that Ratna is not married, only to find Ranga happy and full of hope. Then what happened? On the other hand, the Shastri disagreed on having staged anything predetermined. Then he claims to have said whatever his prediction showed. Then at the end of the story, children, Ratna and the climax. In the climax, Ranga and Ratna are happily married with a 3-year-old son named after the narrator, and now Ratna is also pregnant with another child. To conclude the story, the narrator makes sure that he did not bore his readers. मतलब कहने का कि जो नरेटर था वो बहुत ज़्यादा जो है वो कह सकते हैं हम कि श्योर था, ये श्योर है नरेटर कि आपको कहीं भी ऐसा कोई डिपिक्शन या ऐसा कोई डिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं मिलेगा जिसको आप पढ़कर या समझ कर ऐसा लगे कि आप बोर हो रहे हैं. द स्टोरी इज़ फुल ऑफ examples of entertainment, example of many themes. So this is the summary of the story. तो इसके बाद जो है वो now one thing is that कि this story is something you can say that the story has presented the ideas, the perceptions and the views and opinions about the marriage, about the life and how the life changed after getting education and how the life is in the village and how the life is in the city. So this is the summary of the story, that is the Ranga's marriage. Now children, let's know about the characters of the story. So the first character is Ranga. Ranga is a very well-mannered and educated young bachelor and who is the son of village accountant and who got the opportunity to study and to in the city, and he a good boy who should get married, and as he would be the perfect husband for his wife. So he is also gullible and gets tricked by the narrator into marrying Ratna, and he is well mannered, he is an educated and he behaved like a decent and gentleman, and he is very he has presented himself as a good, as a nice, as a well behaved, as a modest and a humble man or humble person in the village, and who not only, and he also presented himself that he not only loves his village but also he loves his villagers also. The next character is the narrator in Ranga's marriage, who was Shyama, and he was an old man who was full of forthnightness and had a great sense of humor. and Shyama believed in all the traditional things, and he was intelligent as well as great manipulator, and he had a capability to show to throw the impact of his intelligent mind or thought on others. Now, the next character is Ratna. Ratna was Rama Rao's niece, and she was just 11 years old, and she lived in a big town and had come to live at his uncle's home in Hoshiarli after her parents' death. And she was quite pretty and had many qualities, and she had a very beautiful voice, and she used to play veena and harmonium, and she can play veena and harmonium because she had a very beautiful and sweet voice, and she is very talented, and she loves villages, and she admires the beauty of village. So the narrator presents Ratna as a good singer. Even Ranga is attracted by her music and tries to see her. And due to the narrator's planning, they got married in the end, and they lived a very beautiful life. And both are married and lead a very happy married life. So children, we will stop here, and in next lecture we will start the explanation of the chapter. So in next lecture we will continue this chapter, and I hope that we will finish this chapter. So after we have discussed the summary, we have discussed the character sketch, we have discussed the introduction of the lesson as well as about the author of the lesson. So in next lecture we will continue this chapter and we will discuss about the explanation. So take care of yourself and your family, and be happy, and always have a positive and beautiful smile on your face, and be happy and stay home and safe home. So children, goodbye and take care of yourself.